How to fix TikTok couldn't upload video problem. So if you want to fix the problem, then first you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your videos might face that kind of problem. So if you are facing a problem with the uploading videos, then check your internet connection, and if your internet connection is stable and if that problem still exists, then you can open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and go for see all apps and search for TikTok and open up your TikTok. And now go for storage and cache, and you can tap on clear cache, which is on the right side. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back, and here you will have uninstall option. Tap on uninstall and then tap on OK. And after uninstalling, you can again install it from your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can log back into your account and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi and then again turn it on. And you can also switch back to your mobile data if your Wi-Fi is not working. And once you've done that, now you can simply tap and hold on to that power button so that you will get a restart option. Simply tap on restart, and once you restart, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes for your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.